kids. Oh, lion, the king of jungle. Would you like to have a lion at your home? Yes, I'll show you how to make paper lion. Oh.
You know just what to say. Things that scare me, I should just walk away. But I can't move my feet. The more that I know you, the more I want to. Something inside me's changed. I was so much younger yesterday.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies when
Sneaking out late, tapping on your window.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you.
When we're on the phone and you talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know.
Either way, you do things to my body. Come on, tell me if we could fight it again. La da 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 da. I was riding shotgun with my hair undone in the front seat of his car. He's got a one-hand feel on the steering wheel, the other on my heart. I look around, turn the radio down. He says, "Baby, is something wrong?" I say nothing. I was just thinking how we don't have a song. And he said, "I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies when
Sneaking out late, tapping on your window.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you."
When we're on the phone and you talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know.
Either way, you do things to my body. Come on, tell me if we could fight it again. La da da, waiting for something to come along. La da da, waiting for something to come along. Waiting for something to come along. It was as good as our song. It was as good as our song. Our song. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies when
Sneaking out late, tapping on your window.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you.
When we're on the phone and you talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know.
Either way, you do things to my body. Come on, tell me if we could fight it again. You do things to my body. Come on, tell me if we could fight it again. La da da, waiting for something to come along. La da da, waiting for something to come along. Waiting for something to come along. It was as good as our song. It was as good as our song.